Fake it until you make it. Now, this is a phrase apt for all the people who are having a Yuti and conjunction of Saturn and Rahu in their horoscope in their birth chart. Namaste everyone, this is Archit. Welcome back to Grihalok. Today we will be understanding very deeply, very closely another Yuti, another conjunction in astrology, which is the Yuti between Saturn and Rahu. क्या है ये? क्यों लोग इसको लेके बहुत डरे हुए रहते हैं? Why are they afraid? Why is it so misjudged? जिस भी चीज़ के साथ राहु जुड़ जाता है उसका नाम तो वैसे ही बदनाम हो जाता है. So today we will deep dive into why it is a good combination, in what circumstances this combination can result into great heights, into great name and fame in your career. Let us break it down. Saturn natural karma karak hai. Saturn represents your overall karma. It also governs your profession. Whereas Rahu represents confusion, illusion, chaos. It represents breaking boundaries. It represents doing unconventional things. It is expansion beyond a proportion. Now, if the two energies are positively aligned in your horoscope, this could lead to massive career growth. This could lead to you succeeding in foreign lands. This is a combination where people make it very big in multinational corporations. Such people thrive and survive away from their birthplace. That is actually a remedy for people having this kind of a combination. Till the time you will not get out of your comfort zone, you will not take off. This is a signature hallmark of this combination. People with this conjunction, with this combination, they need to make a proper long-term plan. Without a proper plan, they would end up misusing their energy that they can achieve or extract from this combination. Now, another वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़, एक बहुत ज़रूरी चीज़ जो आपको देखनी है, आपको समझनी है इस कंजंक्शन, इस कॉम्बिनेशन के साथ, वो है कि इस युति के ट्राइन में और कौन से प्लैनेट्स हैं. से सपोज आपके ट्राइन में राहु और सैटर्न के ट्राइन में जुपिटर भी इन्वॉल्व है. दैट मीन्स यू विल गेट अ पुश एंड सपोर्ट फ्रॉम योर गुरुज, फ्रॉम योर मेंटर्स इन लाइफ. अगर इसी ट्राइन में आपका मार्स इन्वॉल्व है, दैट मीन्स यू कुड गेट अ पुश और a timely help from your younger brother. Similarly, इस conjunction के साथ अगर Venus involved है, that means the support could come from your wife, or the inspiration could come from your wife or your firstborn elder daughter. So you need to see what all planets are getting involved with this conjunction and how you can positively utilize them. This is a very good combination for career growth. I have seen so many people succeeding with this combination, but yes, there is a downside to it. You need to utilize the energy very carefully. You don't need to disclose your plans every now and then. You don't need to blow a trumpet of your success. ये बहुत केपेबल होते हैं नज़र खाने के लिए. ऐसे लोगों को बहुत जल्दी नज़र लगती है और इनके काम बहुत जल्दी बिगड़ते हैं इसी चीज़ को लेके कि ये हर चीज़, हर अपने छोटे से छोटे प्लान्स सबके साथ जाके डिस्कस करते हैं. सच पीपल शुड रिफ्रेन फ्रॉम डूइंग दैट, एंड दैट्स अ वेरी पोटेंट रेमेडी फॉर दिस कॉम्बिनेशन. आप जितना अपने प्लान्स को सीक्रेट रखेंगे उतना ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल होंगे. Another most important thing which I previously discussed to remember with this combination is you need to get out of your comfort zone. आपको अपने comfort zone से बाहर निकलना बहुत ज़रूरी है in order for you to succeed in life. Because Rahu only gives you a push when you are out of your comfort zone, when you are doing something foreign, something which is unconventional. Till the time you will not get that element in your life, Rahu's energy will not give you the required push that it should. So to activate that combination, you need to move to a foreign land, you need to do things in an unconventional way, but also making sure that that unconventional does not turns to an illegal activity. Because there is a very thin line between being secretive, being unconventional, and being illegal. So you need to maintain that distance, otherwise this will surely become a combination for your downfall if you start involving yourself in certain illegal activities. I hope this was clear. You got a lot of clarity. If you have any doubts, you can always leave your comments down below. I'll be more than happy to answer. Thank you so much for watching. Over to the next one. Bye bye.